Step into Mr. Tech's world, where old engines meet raw, unbridled power. Experience the strength and ingenuity of self-built machines. Join the adventure, uncover mechanical wonders that leave you in awe. For those serious about efficiency, this homemade horizontal log splitter is a prime example of mechanical ingenuity. Driven by the PTO shaft of a Kramer 450 Export S, it optimizes power transfer, ensuring maximum splitting force without excess energy waste. Designed for durability, this machine significantly reduces manual labor while increasing output, a must-have for professionals in the firewood industry. Growy X Power is the only fully automatic cross-cutting machine for 1 meter long wood, setting a new industry standard. Designed with a powerful hydraulic system and intelligent automation, it ensures precise, consistent, and efficient wood splitting while reducing labor costs. This is an essential investment for those looking to optimize productivity with minimal effort. From a technical perspective, this homemade wood splitter is quite effective given its DIY nature. The main limitation is the hydraulic system. A larger pump would increase cycle speed significantly. Additionally, the chain's current alignment is counterintuitive, which could impact long-term efficiency. However, for a home-built machine, it demonstrates solid engineering and practical usability. A well-designed wood splitter relies on a gearbox to enhance torque, ensuring efficient log splitting with minimal effort. By leveraging mechanical advantage, this DIY solution maximizes output while reducing strain, making it ideal for home users and professionals alike. Precision, power, and practicality all in one machine. Imagine transforming raw logs into neatly stacked firewood with minimal effort. This reliable processor, once powered by a tractor, now runs on electricity, making it both cost-effective and convenient. It's been through years of use, yet it still delivers outstanding performance. Whether you're a firewood business or a homeowner, this machine makes the job faster, easier, and surprisingly enjoyable.
I bought this at Northern Tool years ago.
You use them all the time. Fits on that small sonar.
Think about it. How many things in your life have lasted 30 years? This wood splitter has. It's been through thick and thin, cutting through mountains of logs, standing by its owner's side. It may not be as fast as before, but that's the charm, isn't it? It's living history, a working relic, a piece of craftsmanship that refuses to fade.
Well, I'm sit and split. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.
From a technical perspective, a bandsaw requires a motor with at least 9 horsepower to handle demanding cuts efficiently. Insufficient power results in inconsistent performance, excessive strain on components, and reduced blade longevity. Investing in a more powerful engine ensures precision, longevity, and overall better machine efficiency. One step, countless possibilities. The Holzomat transforms firewood processing into a seamless experience. Compact yet powerful, this cutting-edge solution is designed for efficiency, making wood cutting effortless and economical. Whether you're a small forestry business or an independent woodsman, Holzomat takes the hard work out of firewood production. Can you believe that in just a few days, you can process enough firewood for an entire year without breaking a sweat? The PW wood processor makes it a reality. With its smooth cutting and splitting system, you get not only speed but also optimal efficiency. Plus, it can be powered by a tractor, giving you incredible flexibility. Splitting firewood with the Palex 35 is truly an impressive experience. One of the things I love most about the Palex 35 is the smart design of the saw blade lever. It's positioned parallel to the feeding table. This not only makes operation easier, but also allows you to harness the strength of your core muscles. A small detail, but one that makes a big difference. At first glance, the Rotomat 4L Pro from Kretzer Forsttechnik is a true game changer in the wood processing industry. Its robust and refined design makes a strong impression right away. This is not just an ordinary log saw, but a real innovation that enhances safety and efficiency. Through testing, the machine operates smoothly and cuts precisely, making wood processing easier than ever. I used to love woodworking, but as I got older, the effort became too much. Then I found West. The first time I used it, I was amazed. It was like slicing through butter. No more aching arms, no more exhaustion. Now I can spend hours crafting without feeling drained. West didn't just bring back my hobby, it brought back my passion. This DIY horizontal wood splitter is a remarkable blend of mechanical ingenuity and functional efficiency. Despite being homemade, it features a robust hydraulic system that delivers immense force, making wood splitting a seamless process. A true testament to how innovative engineering can turn simple concepts into highly effective solutions.
Clamp comes down, tells the saw that I'm right. Goes in the floating time and the saw comes out.
Wood processing just got a whole lot smarter. Imagine a machine so powerful that it transforms firewood production with absolute precision. Fully automated, PLC controlled, and built for maximum efficiency. This isn't just any wood processor. It's the future of firewood processing, minimizing waste, maximizing output, and delivering results faster than ever before.
We got a picture big enough.
What's better than building a powerful machine? Building it with your father. This homemade bandsaw isn't just another DIY project. It's a bond in the making, a project that brings 2 generations together. And here's the kicker. It's safer than most homemade saws out there. Every bolt, every cut, every adjustment, it all adds up to something far more valuable than just a tool. I was excited to see the McAllister log splitter in action. 8 tons of pressure, 3,000 watts of power, and the promise of effortless wood splitting. But as I stood there, watching it chug along, a thought crept into my mind. Shouldn't this be faster? Maybe I expected too much, or maybe there's a way to push it beyond its limits. Let's find out. The Karhu log splitter eliminates wasted time and effort. With its hydraulic saw, logs up to 38 centimeters are split effortlessly, cutting down labor and boosting productivity. The 4-meter rotating conveyor and optimized control system ensures seamless workflow. Say goodbye to frustration. Karhu makes wood processing faster, safer, and more efficient. Dad's log splitter, the first ever Tempest tractor with a trailer, has been built. This is a masterpiece of engineering, designed for optimal efficiency and convenience. With an intelligent chute system, it can effortlessly load a pallet box at each end. Whether you're prepping firewood for winter or handling large volumes of wood, this groundbreaking design saves time and effort, making log splitting smoother than ever. The first test of the screw shaft separator, and guess what? It's running like a dream with a 3-kilowatt motor. But wait, safety first. We've also installed an emergency switch to make sure everything stays under control. It's just a test model for now, but if it works this well already, imagine what's coming next. What if I told you my wood splitter runs on an old VW Rabbit diesel engine? Sounds crazy, right? It took me a year of trial and error, fine-tuning every detail. Now it's a game changer. No more backbreaking work, just pure diesel-powered efficiency. If you've ever struggled with splitting logs the hard way, trust me, you'd want to see this thing in action. What if cutting wood was as easy as making coffee? This automatic wood cutting machine prototype is designed for ultimate convenience. Lift the log, press one button, and let the machine do the rest. No complicated setup, no manual effort. It's smart, efficient, and built to save time. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this is the future of wood processing. Performance and ergonomics come together in this 30-inch log splitter, designed to integrate seamlessly with your skid steer. Built for strength and precision, it allows operators to split wood while remaining safely seated in the cab, reducing strain and increasing productivity. Crafted from durable materials with a powerful splitting mechanism, it ensures a fast, efficient, and convenient wood processing experience. The Bilk firewood processor stands out with its automated cutting, splitting, and conveyor system, ensuring maximum productivity with minimal effort. Designed for professionals and serious users, this machine optimizes log usage, reduces waste, and delivers consistent, high-quality firewood. A must-have for those in the industry. The Lane 1900 sawmill, equipped with a JD 3120 engine, represents the pinnacle of efficient lumber processing. Its automatic feeding mechanism eliminates manual inconsistencies, ensuring precision and uniformity in every cut. By minimizing operator effort while maximizing output, this system epitomizes practical engineering, where simplicity meets performance without compromise. Meet the JD5515F homemade cone wood splitter, a game changer for small logs. With its sturdy, conical design, it makes splitting wood as easy as pushing a button. No more exhausting manual chopping. Whether for a cozy fireplace or a backyard BBQ, this tool saves time and effort, letting you enjoy the warmth without the hard work. The WC18/500V horizontal vertical log splitter is a game changer. Designed for both commercial and personal use, this powerful machine offers dual splitting orientations, horizontal for easy bulk processing and vertical for handling larger, heavier logs with minimal effort. What if I told you a simple tweak on a circular saw could unlock the power to create seamless cones?
Мягкая древесина, это какая-то сосна.
The Greenween manual wood saw is built for professionals and enthusiasts who demand high performance in their craft.
20 с чем-то диаметр. Но зато тут полагается колоть каких-то здоровых дровин. Ну, давай вот так.
Makita CS5121, a high-performance 50cc chainsaw delivering 3.3 horsepower of cutting power. With an 18-inch bar and a 1.3 millimeter thick chain, it's designed for both professional and heavy-duty home use. The Easy Start system ensures a smooth ignition every time, while the safety chain brake provides extra protection. Whether you're felling trees or trimming logs, this Makita saw gets the job done efficiently.
2, 1, go!
The chainsaw roared wildly, starting up in the blink of an eye, leaving me astonished at its terrifying speed. When the tungsten blade slices through the hardest woods, it's a testament to engineering precision. The SAWQU IP saw delivers unmatched accuracy, providing clean cuts even under the most challenging conditions. There's something about the way old tools speak to us. This homemade woodcutter, with just an engine and a saw, doesn't boast high-tech design or sleek aesthetics. But when it roars to life, it tells a story of practicality and perseverance. Despite its raw simplicity, it cuts wood like a pro.
When I get...
Tackling tree stumps effectively requires precision and power, and you've nailed both. The 400cc engine is perfectly matched to the task, offering ample torque, while the carbide blades ensure long-lasting sharpness. The brake system is crucial for safe handling, and the safety switch is an excellent touch to prevent accidents. Splitting wood with an axe is a simple yet demanding task that tests both precision and power. While machines might take the heavy load off, the old-fashioned axe provides unmatched control and satisfaction. Still, even the most seasoned lumberjack faces the constant risk of an accidental strike. It's a dance of caution and strength. The Hydro Wood Splitter showcases an intelligent design powered by a carbon-driven system. Its fully automated operation ensures consistency and reliability, ideal for heavy-duty applications. With cutting-edge engineering, it maximizes productivity while minimizing manual intervention, making it a preferred choice for professionals. Imagine a machine that turns a daunting log into perfectly split pieces in no time. The SpaltFix K Vario does just that. Whether driven by PTO, diesel, or electricity, it handles logs up to 65 centimeters effortlessly. It's the kind of ingenuity that makes you stop and marvel. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling tech stories. Catch you soon on Mr. Tech.